Next month sees the launch of the university's new Institute for Public Policy and Professional Practice, I4P. The Institute is being set up in order to try to work much more effectively and closely with two quite different groups. On the one hand, there are those who are working across the public and not-for-profit sector, professionals and practitioners who are working in a range of different services, from education to policing to health and social welfare and the fire and rescue services. And those who work here in the university, whose primary aim is to work with intending professionals as well as those who come back and use the university for their continuing professional development. Since 2010, the public and not-for-profit sector has undergone profound change. Some might call it a shock to the system, from organisational change and restructuring to real, deep and profound cuts in their spending. The public sector has had to cope with much destabilisation and reorganisation. So I4P is about working with those groups, those professionals, those practitioners, those decision makers, as they try to make sense of the new world that they find themselves in. And at the same time, the university is seeking to deploy its resources and talent and expertise such that we can support those who are engaged in those particular areas of change. So over the next year, I4P will be launching a series of public lectures, seminars and listening events in order to frame not only our work and the kind of support we can provide, but to draw in those professionals and practitioners so that they inform much more closely and much more systematically the work that we do.